Oh my God, y'all, 763 subscribers. Y'all love me and I love y'all back. Yes, I love y'all back. For those who don't know me, Naturally Committed is here. Thank you all for your subscriptions to my YouTube channel. It went from like 31 subscribers to 763 just from one video, y'all. Just from one video of how to sublimate using the Epsilon 2720 printer just to make your images bigger. I appreciate all of y'all comments. I appreciate all y'all time with me learning and growing to help your businesses grow and become successful. I hope it is, because my business is struggling, y'all. I can't even get no traffic to my website. But as long as helping you all benefit and grow and be comfortable with sublimation, then my job is done. I will push out some videos. I know y'all been waiting for me. I've been trying to do little short clips and stuff because y'all know I can talk. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet. Keep showing the love, y'all. Keep subscribing. Y'all make my heart feel good. Drop those comments. I still answer. Y'all see, I stay in contact with y'all. Share it with your Facebook community, your Instagram community. Follow me on Instagram, same as my YouTube name, Naturally Committed. Follow me on TikTok. Just spread the love, y'all. I'm working out some things. I'm thinking about still continuing the Canva series. I didn't get too many people looking at that video, but I teach people, so hopefully if you like to be taught and learn, you will go over there, and then I'll roll out some more Canva videos. And I'm thinking about doing how to show y'all how to crochet y'all hair, because I did mine first time doing this, y'all. So you know, yeah, very cool. And I'm thinking about trying to show y'all how to do clay earrings, you know, for y'all business, y'all, and of course jewelry. So I'm thinking. So I just need to get my mind right, y'all. You know, when you're dealing with certain things in life, you just have to sit back and get back to normal, so I can be the most productive person that y'all need. Okay, so like I said, keep on subscribing. I love y'all and I hear y'all, and I will answer, because when I get notifications, I answer, because it goes to my Gmail account. So it's no excuse. Okay, I'm not gonna leave y'all wondering. I'm not. And if I can't do it, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm not a superhero, but I'll try my best to let y'all know, okay? Because honestly, I'm living from paycheck to paycheck, and if the business is not picking up and I'm not getting people to my store, of course I can't produce a lot of stuff like I want to, y'all. So Canva might be my friend, because I already have the subscription and it's free for me to do, to show you all. But I just want to let y'all know I appreciate y'all. We are almost shy away from 1,000, y'all. My lovely Naturally Committed people, I love you. So thank you. And once I get everything right with me, the videos are gonna be coming out. I need to take me a vacation. So once that vacation is over and clarity, I'm coming hard, y'all. Coming hard. Until then, thank you, and I appreciate you all. I really do. Oh, let me add on to that video. If y'all a sponsor, y'all can sponsor me. Sponsor me. You know I show up. Y'all know I show up. If you haven't seen my reviews from influencer or my goalie campaigns, y'all missing out, because y'all not following me on Instagram. But if y'all want to sponsor me, help me grow. I don't know if I can even be sponsored at 7. You know what? I don't even know. Y'all can tell me, dude, can I be sponsored at 763 followers? I don't know. But like, if y'all want me to push out a product or something like that, review it. Hello. I do it for influencer. I do it for goalie. So hit me up. All right. But until then, I'll try to do little short videos, but I'm definitely working on this one. If I can get my Master to work correctly, and upload it from my Apple Cloud. But that's a different story. But thank y'all. Now I'm really getting ready to go. Like right now. See y'all.